Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this video I'd like to show you two different ways to block a number. You can do it by using your contact list, so you can basically block the numbers which you've got saved, and you can do it manually in a different way, and of course I'll show you both. I'd like to start with the contact, so let's open your contact list. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, then more options, so the 4 dots icon, and tap on block contact. And as you can see, your device will immediately mark it as blocked, so it means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Of course you can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So the second way to block a number requires entering the settings by using the phone, so the dialer. Let's tap on the section and tap on the 4 dots icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got blocked. And first of all, before we will enter the blacklist, we can set some call block rules and message block rules. It's up to you. You can basically block all incoming calls, unknown numbers, or private withheld numbers, or you can manage message block rules where you've got only unknown numbers. It's up to you, of course. After that, let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see here, we've got our blacklist. Let's tap on it, and here we've got a guy, so the number we blocked from our contacts. Everything went fine. What is more, we've got this information, how much blocked calls and messages we've got from this number. And here, as I said, we can do it kind of manually, I mean add the number. So let's simply tap on add, and here we've got more options to choose from, so the messages, call logs, contacts again. But this way is a little bit different, because here you can enter the contacts and mark some of them in a row and block a lot of contacts with only one click. So it's much more easier. It's much easier if you've got a lot of contacts to block. But here you've got also the option add manually, so simply tap on it, and you've got this section to enter the number. You can also paste it here if you've got it copied, and tap on OK. In the same situation, it will appear on the blacklist. Of course, you can remove the numbers from this list. Just tap on it and hold it, and right now you can either remove only one of it, you can select all, or mark few of them, and tap on remove. Tap on remove, and as you can see, the blacklist is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.